solve any problem. Just like foundation of the building. If the foundation is strong, the building is strong. So, it is elementary, but it is very important to know the things. Now today I want to start with indices. Indices is plural form of index. What is this index? In my last session, I have told you into x is x square. X square means x into x. This 2 is called index. X is called base. Similarly, if I write y into y into y, this is y cube. A into a into a into a. This is a raised to 4. Here a raised to 4. A y cube, x square, like that. It's a square, cube, raised to 4. Hence onwards, it's a raised to 5, a raised to 6, a raised to 10, like that. If I continue the same thing here, if it so on, you need not write 10, but you can write it as a raised to 10. So, the idea is here is, this dot implies the into it continues. This is how a raised to can be written as a into so on to n factors. Say if I say a raised to 10 is a into a so on into a to n times. 10 times. So, any index, then what is the multiplication of this? They are called as laws of indices. Here, if I write a square into a cube, a square means a into a cube is a into a, like that a is multiplied 5 times, that's why I write is that a raised to 5. In my last session, I told what is the formula, what is the relation between 2, 3 and 5. It is 2 plus 3 is 5. Similarly, you can write x raised to 5 into x raised to 7. In this problem, x is multiplied 5 times, x is multiplied by 7 times. So total it is multiplied by 12 times. So it becomes 5 plus 12. The answer is x raised to 12. So we write it as x raised to 5 plus 7. Here x is a raised to 2 plus 3. In this way, we can generalize again, generalization method. So, a into m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Here the indices are added. When you multiply, indices are added. Similarly, when you divide, it will be subtract. Let me go to the next problem. This is first law of indices, which is deals with multiplication. Then we take division. A raised to 6 into a square. That is 8, you write 8 6 times. You write 2 times. Cancel. That means a raised to 4. What is the relation between 6, 2 and 4? This is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, x raised to 5 x cube, x into x into x into x into x. X cube means 3 times. X into x into x cancels. X into x into x into x into x. Here's this. So cancels, x cancels, giving x square. Again the relation between 5, 3, 2 is 5 minus 3. This is how we can generalize. So in general I can write a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n if m is greater than n. Suppose m is less than n, then what happens? X remains in the denominator, so it is written as similarly a raised to, you can write n minus m, so I write 1 upon a raised to n minus m if m is less than n. Again, if m equal to n, all cancel, giving you one answer. So if m is equal to n, then x raised to m upon x raised to m is 1. So a raised to m upon a raised to m is 1. Second law, a raised to m divided by x raised to a raised to n, a raised to m minus n if m is greater than n is also equal to 1 upon a raised to n minus m if m is less than n is equal to 1 if m is equal to n. This is the second law. Here the bases are same, A. In the LHS as well as RHS, you find the bases are same. Now we come to the third one, third form, third law, that is a cube into a cube. According to the first law, it is a equal to a raised to 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. I write in another form, that is a cube bracket square. Here 3, 2, 6. Actually they are multiplied. Here the indices are multiplied. If you can generalize again, a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m. This is also equal to, you can also write it as a raised to n bracket raised to n. These are some tricks you should learn. This is third law. These three laws are called same base theorem. Now let us go to fourth and fifth, where bases are different, indices are same. Here bases are same, indices are different. So I write x upon y bracket cube is x upon y into x upon y. This is our basic. X upon y bracket cube, x upon y, x upon y, x upon y. This is fourth law. So, what happens here? X into x into x, y into y into y. This is nothing but x cube upon y cube. This index goes to both numerator as well as denominator. So I can generalize this as a raised to m, a upon b bracket raised to m is a raised to m upon b raised to m. If b is not equal to 0, mind it that division by 0 is not allowed in mathematics. So fourth law is over. Like that you can write any number. So fifth law will go to here xy. Suppose if I write xy upon xy square, that is xy into xy. Now you can write it as x into x into y. So this becomes x square plus x square into y square. So fifth law is you can the x square y square here it goes to both sides. Like that you can extend. So a raised to b bracket raised to m is a raised to m into b raised to m. You can extend to this can be extended to the even 3 also. Say if I write a b c bracket to m is also written as a raised to m into b raised to m into c raised to m. Here, first 3 laws are called same base theorem. Last 2 laws are called different base, CBT, I call them. Same base theorem, SMT, SBT, right? Change of base theorem. So, these are the laws.